Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Favorites in Alibaba. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about favorites in Alibaba. So, what are favorites in Alibaba? So, favorites are those when you have an item that you want but you don't have enough money to buy it, or if you just want it and you're not unsure of buying the item and you just want to save it for maybe later or maybe the near future. So, the favorite in Alibaba. So to add a favorite in your Alibaba, just click on an item. After clicking on item right here, we're gonna click this item right now. Then as you see there's a heart icon on the top right of the item. Once you click that, it will be added to your favorites. Then go back. Now to see your favorites in Alibaba, click on My Alibaba on the bottom right in your home page. Then go here at Essentials. When you're at Essentials, click on My Favorites. After clicking on My Favorites, you will see all the added icons. The heart in your Alibaba favorites will be right all here. So there you go, guys. And a quick tip for you guys: you can add as many as favorites as you want, as long as you don't go over much. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.